Really thank you to all the judges and Asia Advisors Network for awarding AIA Singapore as the Employee Benefits Provider of the Year award. This has been a tremendous honor for AIA and the group to really deliver solutions for our employees as well as your employees and the Singapore workforce. Our purpose is to help the Singapore workforce live longer, healthier and better lives. And we really thank the HR community to partner us in this journey. We have been on the forefront of digitizing, leveraging technology like eBenefits, and most recently, our mental wellness offering, Think Well, to stay ahead of our emerging trends in the market. And to the AIA Corporate Solutions team and my AIA colleagues over there, very grateful for your tireless dedication to help us do better and better. Thank you very much.